everyone, Priscilla here, your garden coach at Agway. So Mother's Day is around the corner and it's time to show lots of love to our moms. And I just walked around the greenhouse here in South Dennis at Agway and found all kinds of fabulous things that I would love for Mother's Day. So I started with a practical gift for the mom that's out in the garden all the time. There's knee pads, some twine, a new pair of gloves, you can't have too many of those, a really pretty seed packet of flowers to spread in the garden, and then a seed tag, a little ID for the seeds that she's just planted that you put in the garden. Of course, my trach is in here, my favorite tool, brand new, they're awfully pretty, all shiny and new. And then for the mom that's very practical and is watering all the time, a watering wand so she can water down low without bending over, and she can reach things further away and not have to go too far. For the mom that loves the latest thing, that's always exploring new ideas in the gardening world, I thought this was adorable. It's really cute for succulents, and you can come in and find all the succulents available in the greenhouse and just plant them in here. It's great for a patio or deck or the porch. Super fun. For the mom that is maybe not a gardener but loves to have greenery around, how about a new pot with just a simple evergreen ivy to last all summer and into the winter. Of course, the hat selection is fabulous. A new hat is always a wonderful gift. And look what I found in the greenhouse, a moss bag. Is that sweet? I put a couple of herbs in it, and you could set that out on the deck or patio and snip from it when you want some herbs, or just brag about it because you gave it to your mom. Every year we'd always give my mother a fuchsia, and now whenever I see fuchsia, I think of my mom. We would get it for Mother's Day, we'd hang it outside of the kitchen window on a wonderful forged hook, and every time she saw it, she knew how much we loved her. There's lots of different kinds. There's a light pink, a spectacular purple pink. There's even ribbon at Agway, so whatever you buy, you can put a ribbon on it. There's lots of hanging pots and plants, so there's endless supply of flowers to pick for. And then for the whimsical mom, what do you think of this? Isn't that fabulous? Super fun to hang in the garden outside. So happy Mother's Day, everyone, and happy gardening.